here to talk about what is electrolysis. There's so much stuff happening in here, and we've been stuck with this diagram. And so what I've tried to do is I've tried to animate the diagram to explain what is happening in these Enagic machines. What's this electrolysis? Why is it so powerful for our health? So let me just go to this. We have an anode and a cathode, and this is kind of reversed if we're using batteries, but in this, because we are alternating current, it's cathode and the anode is the minus. So as we run our water through our machines, the H2O, right, what happens is it triggers the iron, sodium, calcium, magnesium, and potassium. These are your positive minerals that go directly to the minus, because positives and minuses attract each other. And on the other side, we have these negatively charged, these acidic minerals. So the ones on the right, iron, sodium, calcium, magnesium, potassium, these are your electrolyte minerals. These are the minerals that you need for health and well-being, so your body's not actually being voided of them like this reverse osmosis water or distilled water. So as the water gets charged, this is what happens. We're creating a hydroxide ion, and on the other side, we're creating a hydrogen ion. And how this happens is the hydroxide ion gets released with the charge, so we're splitting the H2O on this side, and on the other side, to create this hydroxide ion, we're releasing the hydrogen ion. And this happens, what happens then is we're creating this oxygen gas on this side, and on the other side, we're creating this hydrogen gas. So electrolyzed reduced water is happening right in front of us. And the way we create this hydrogen ion is we release the electron that's in this molecule. And you know, electrons being donated to us, this is what we want. We want electrons, we want lots of them, because we're being bombarded by free radicals, so we need lots of electrons. So when we add the hydrogen ion and the electron, this becomes a massive antioxidant. This is our electrolyzed reduced water, and this is where a lot of life ends up getting changed. So down this pipe, the acidic water would then go down, okay, and this is the water that we use for other things like cleaning, disinfecting. And on the other side is where the Kangen, the beautiful Kangen water, gets created. So with that being said, let me show you with this video of, this is at the Enagic facility where they build our machines, and they have this demo that's set up for distributors to see and for people to actually witness this hydrogen gas being created, this hydrogen ion and electrolyzed reduced water. So remember, Kangen water means all those. This is where all the science is. So let's look at this. You could see the actual bubbles coming off, a gas being created. So the black line is H2 gas, the white line is the oxygen gas. So as we see it again, you could see through that, it's just amazing hydrogen being produced. So hopefully this taught you a little bit.
Enagic is the gold standard in water ionization. Enagic is a Japanese company with the precision of Japanese engineering and quality control, with the mission to improve the lives of as many people as they can reach. Each Enagic machine is built to last a lifetime with proper care. Parts can be individually replaced or repaired if necessary, making these machines a lifetime investment and not a disposable appliance that needs to be replaced every 3 to 5 years. Important things to understand about water ionizers are the plates. Enagic uses solid titanium plates individually cut to size and then coated in platinum. And the SD501 has 7 of the largest plates in the industry. The plates are important because these plates are then charged with electricity, becoming the engine of the ionizer. When the water passes over the plates, the minerals in the water are separated into 2 streams of water, one alkaline and one acidic. The more plate surface area and the more power you can apply to the plates, the better the separation and the better the quality of the ionized water. Some metals are better electrical conductors than others, and some hold up to the abuse of electrolysis. While some manufacturers use stainless steel or white gold because they are less expensive, the most reputable companies use titanium and platinum. Titanium is used because it is a very dense metal and is a great conductor of electricity. Platinum is a great durable conductor of electricity, and it's applied on top of the titanium to keep the titanium from breaking down in water during electrolysis. Enagic's SD501 water ionizer has the ability to utilize the highest wattage in the industry. Everyone knows that if you want a brighter light, you use a higher wattage light bulb. With ionizers, the higher the wattage, the more it impacts the water. Enagic also uses a transformer for their power supply. A transformer is the most stable, effective, and time-tested form of electrical regulator available on the market today. But Enagic machines don't overheat because of their precision engineering and technology. Most other machines don't use transformers because they cannot handle the heat generated. Enagic uses solid titanium platinum plates. Their research has shown that solid plates are the most stable and time-tested method for creating ionized water. They don't use the mesh plates used by some manufacturers because of the long-term problems mesh plates pose. Mesh plates seem to make sense to someone who is uninformed on the subject of water ionization because it creates more surface area to come in contact with the water. The drawback is, when metal expands and contracts as it is heated and cooled, the mesh plates tend to break down, thus reducing the ability of the plates to produce alkaline ionized water for more than a few minutes at a time. These cracks also expose titanium to the water, which then creates potential health problems. Mesh plates are a way for a manufacturer to save money in production while having nothing to do with increasing the quality of the water. The plates are the engine of this machine. Obviously, you can produce a smaller engine for less money than a more powerful one. Another important factor in ionizing water is the amount of time the water comes in contact with the plates. The longer the water is exposed to the electricity in the electrolysis chamber, the more it is changed, resulting in higher ORP and pH values. As an example, if you run the water through a machine with small plates very slowly, you will get a higher pH value of water than if it runs at a faster flow rate, such as you would do when filling your glass to drink. If it runs through very quickly, the pH will be much lower. It is therefore important when comparing machines to make certain the flow rates are equal in the comparison. Water pressures vary from area to area and day to day. Enagic engineers have handled this by allowing you to regulate the volume of water flowing through your machine to suit the local conditions and pressures. They can do this because of the ability of these larger plates and the amount of power running through them. A flow regulator does not improve water quality, but in reality simply compensates for an inferior design and allowing the water more time to come in contact with the plates. Simple pH tests should be conducted when you install your machine and on a periodic basis to help you evaluate the best water pressure for your machine. All Enagic machines can produce between 1.2 and 2 gallons of Kangen water per minute. The Enagic SD501 is found in some health practices and doctors' offices in the U.S. Dr. Dave Carpenter's office currently distributes 300 to 500 gallons of Kangen water with their SD501 per day to their patients. Enagic doesn't have any restrictions on the hardness of the source water. nor how much water you can give away to friends and family. Enagic ionizers make water with such unique and stable properties that they have trademarked it. When a doctor writes a prescription for Kangen water, it is for water made only by an Enagic ionizer. When doctors like Dr. Hiromi Shinya and others talk about having their patients drink Kangen water, it is this unique water made only by an Enagic ionizer. No other manufacturer's machines make Kangen water, no matter what they claim. Enagic ionizers are self-cleaning, and in addition, they have a cleaning maintenance cartridge to address the mineral buildup on the plates that occur with use. This cleaning system is a patented system. This allows the machines to produce the highest quality of Kangen water available, and is why Enagic is the gold standard when it comes to water ionizers. Enagic is the market leader. As such, they are leading the way and even forcing changes in the industry because of their high standards, superior technology, incredible warranty,